All right, got the Mustang back at the house. School's back, son's back from college for the summer. So we got a list of updates we want to do. And there it is. So I'm mostly just maintenance stuff. We're gonna check the diff, check the steering, that those are good. Oh, fan, we got a, that's a mechanical fan. So we got a clutch fan from LMR. Kind of curious to see how it's going to work with the fan shroud and that little extender right there. See how it fits. That way, yeah, on the higher RPMs you could hear it. It's like an airplane trying to take off. So hopefully that frees up a little bit of higher RPM horsepower there. Okay, so I have the fan shroud pulled back so you can see the mechanical blade, no clutch, and it has that spacer, and that's where I'm wondering if the position is going to be the same with this. I think it's close enough. We'll find out. So let me undo these bolts, take out this fan, and see what we got. All right, so I turned it over, and just by eyeballing it, it doesn't look too off. Maybe even a little bit longer, right? Yeah, it looks a little bit. This might be a little bit longer. So, and that's on a decline. So I'm gonna see how close it pushes up against the fan. I had some space, I mean the radiator. So, I mean, that's stock water pump. This is a replacement aftermarket radiator, but it fits in the same slot. So if I had to move the radiator up, I have some space. But let's see where it fits. Okay, so the old one is out. The new one is mocked in. Have one screw in there, and it looks like the spacing is going to be perfect. So they knew what they were doing. I only have one bolt halfway in there right now. So I think this is going to fit in there pretty nicely. All right. I think. Let's see if yeah, I have my finger in here to test the clearance. It's going to have to be high on that, but there is about a fingertip clearance between the shroud and the fan. So I should be able to work with that. Let me go ahead and tighten it up and see what it looks like. More air. That's good. All right, so I added the fan to the pile of the old car. So here's the old 4.2 liter V8. There's the old C4 transmission. Here's the old fan. So slowly things are coming off it and upgrading. So, all right. Next on the list, I don't know, I'll go check. All right. So the fan is off. Okay, still got more to go.